Hello, this is Mark in for GPA, and I've got my solar panel hooked up to my Echo River 3, and it's early in the morning. The sun's just coming up. It's kind of a little bit overcast, and it's not showing any input. But I know that it's generated some electricity because I've got my handy dandy power meter here, checking it out, and got 2.10 watts, 2.1 watts, excuse me, coming in. And what I did with this, these things are cheap. You get them on eBay for, I don't know, $12, $13, Amazon. And instead of soldering connectors to the wires, I just used alligator clips because I'm not good at soldering. And also, I've got the alligator clips going to the Anderson poles. Let me pull that up here. So that's how I'm getting the reading, because I want to use this for a multitude of things, including checking my DC power supply for my ham radio and various things like that. So anyway, it's working. It's showing 2.3 watts coming in. As we get a little bit more sunshine, I'll be checking and comparing it to the Echo River 3's display, and because I don't think that starts registering anything until it gets up to about 5 watts. But that's a 100-watt solar panel out there, and I can get it, on a good sunny day, I can get it up to 80, 90 watts input, and the Echo River 3 will bring in, it can handle up to 110 watts, so it's a pretty good match. All right, I'm going to keep monitoring this, and the cool thing is over here on the right, bottom right, it shows you your wattage. On the top left, it shows you your amperage. On the top right, it shows volts, and then on the bottom left, there's a rotating display, and that is. It shows your activity over time. Like there's your amp hours right there. It'll show your watt hours right there. So it shows you a lot of stuff. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos on this thing. This is the 200 amp version, and I forget what it's called. These things are made in China, and they are knockoffs of each other, and there's not a specific brand. This is the 200 amp that you see there at the top, and sometimes they come unmarked. Even on Amazon, when you buy them, it doesn't really tell you what brand it is, or you might, in the fine print somewhere, find some kind of brand. But you know what this is. You see what it looks like, and if you can do a search for 100 amp or 200 amp power voltage meter. But anyway, pretty neat for a cheap little device. Very practical. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on this and see how it does throughout the day. You have a great day, 73.